We all want to live more sustainably, but sometimes it can feel overwhelming, expensive, or like you have to buy all the latest gadgets to make a difference. But what if the secret to a greener lifestyle isn't in the future, but in the past? For centuries, cultures like India have woven sustainability into the very fabric of daily life. They are not just habits, they are philosophy. Today, we're exploring 5 incredibly simple, affordable, and effective eco-friendly tips from India that you can start trying today. Tip 1. The Steel Tiffin and Tiffin Wallet System. Let's start with lunch. In India, the stainless steel tiffin is a lunchbox, a meal prep container, and a zero-waste icon all in one. This simple switch eliminates plastic wrap, Ziploc bags, and single-use containers. The famous dabbawalas of Mumbai deliver over 200,000 home-cooked lunches in these every single day, creating a system with virtually zero waste. Imagine the impact if we all replace just one disposable container a day with a reusable one like this. It's durable, easy to clean, and your food just tastes better. Tip 2. Cloth over plastic. The Jhola and the cloth wrap. Before reduce, reuse, recycle was a slogan, it was a way of life in India. The humble cloth bag, or Jhola, is a staple, and for small produce, instead of thin plastic bags, vendors often use old newspaper wraps. The hack here is simple: always have a reusable bag on you. Keep a foldable cloth bag in your purse, your glove compartment, your backpack, and for your produce, invest in a few small mesh or cloth bags. This one tiny habit can eliminate hundreds of plastic bags from your life each year. Tip 3. The kitchen composter, Desi style. Composting can seem daunting, but in many Indian households, it's as simple as having a dedicated container for food scraps. There's no fancy machinery. It's just a pot or a bin where vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells go. Start small with a sealed container on your countertop. Empty it every couple of days into a larger outdoor compost bin, or find out if your city has a compost pickup service. You will be amazed at how much you can divert from a landfill, and you get nutrient-rich soil for your plants as a reward. Tip 4. Natural cleaning. The power of lemon and baking soda. Before aisles of specialized chemical cleaners, Indian homes relied on simple, powerful ingredients: lemon, vinegar, and baking soda. Lemon is a natural disinfectant and degreaser. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive. Try this. For a tough stain, sprinkle some baking soda, add a little lemon juice, let it fizz, and scrub. For a general-purpose cleaner, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a reusable spray bottle. It's cheaper, it's non-toxic, and you're not adding more plastic bottles to the cycle. Tip 5. Skip the dryer. Sun-dry your clothes. In many Indian homes, you'll rarely find a dryer. The sun does the job perfectly, naturally, and free of energy costs. Air drying your clothes not only saves electricity, it helps them last longer. A simple act that makes a big impact. Start with one habit today and be part of the global change toward mindful living. Go green. Live simple. Inspired by India.